Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create videos inside of a logo, like a collage of videos, I guess. Get your logo like this, and I'm just going to let me just crop the edges first because it's rounded a little bit, so I'm trying to crop it. Okay. Then I'm going to place it on top, and I'm going to start adding some videos underneath. Let's add this first, and then go to blend mode and select the darken one, and you're going to just select your videos and you're just going to add it like this. So I'm going to add like another one here and place it like to the right. This is very zoomed in. I don't like place it here, I guess. And then I'm going to add another video there. And again, I'll place it like to the left maybe. And I'll place like one more. You can place a lot of videos if you'd like to. And oops, okay, can't put that on. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Really super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!